Hello everyone, Kem Cho Mazama. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, you will be learning this makeup look right here. If you guys are interested to know what products I've used and how I created this makeup look, make sure to watch it till the end. Before starting, let me tell you that all 9 days of Navratri are dedicated to worship the 9 avatars of Ma Durga. You guys might know that, but did you guys know that different colors are also associated to each day and they also hold significance? And this shade represents tranquility and richness. I have already done 3 steps, that is CTM, cleanser, toner, moisturize. Now I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty makeup primer and apply it on my T-zone area. I got this mini makeup primer from this beautiful festive makeup kit. This festive makeup kit includes 4 products: a makeup fixer, a makeup primer, a palette for face and eyes called Dual Passport, and a mini Hold Me matte liquid lipstick. This primer really helps with the pores and gives you the smoothest base to work with. Once I've applied primer, I'm going with the foundation, and today I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. Shake well before you use. This foundation right here gives you the full coverage but with a natural finish. This foundation will not dry out your skin because this has aloe vera, vitamin E and coconut fruit juice, so this is really good for dry skin. Now going ahead with my favorite concealer. I don't know how many bottles I've finished of this concealer. This one is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 02. Make sure you let this sit for a minute, उससे आपको ज़्यादा coverage मिलेगी. Now I'm going to set my face using loose finishing powder. Make sure कि face को अच्छे से set करो, अच्छे से powder लगाओ, because you're gonna dance a lot. Come on यार, it's Navratri. You're gonna dance a lot, you're gonna sweat a lot. तो अगर आपको अपना makeup sweat proof बनाना है, you have to set your face properly. Before getting into exciting part, that is eyeshadow, let's just fill our eyebrows first. How classy is the packaging? This one also comes with a spoolie on one side. Let's move to the eyes and start with an eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Dual Passport for Face and Eyes palette. I am going to use this soft blush shade and apply it all over my crease. I'm just applying this color over here, not all over my lid, because I'm going to add another color that signifies richness and tranquility. Guess कर लिया? समझ गए? You guys can see how subtle this looks. If you guys want, you can just apply mascara and call this eyeshadow a look, but I'm a dramatic girl. I am going to add some drama, right? To add some drama, I'm going to use this kajal. This is the Intense Gel Kajal in the shade Electric Blue. Blend, blend, blend. अब आ रही है नवरात्रि vibe. How pretty is this looking? Now let's apply mascara and complete the eye makeup look. For my mascara, I'm using the Lift and Curl Volume Lash 4D mascara. Man, I love this mascara. This lifts your lashes, this curls your lashes, gives volume, separates them as well. This is like all-in-one mascara. My eyes are done. Now let's add some color and structure to the face, and for that I'm going to use the Cheekaboo palette. This one has contour, blush and highlighter, and I am in the shade 02. First I'm going to contour my face. Now blush. This one is pigmented, so go easy. The shade just looks so beautiful. Matches with the crease, by the way. Now highlighter. With just one palette, I added color, I gave structure to my face, and I am adding glow. Only 2 steps are left now, lips and setting spray. Let's quickly do it. Because my eyes are a little dramatic and I'm also wearing a lot of jewelry, I'm going to keep my lips very simple. I'm just going to apply gloss. This one is the Plump Up Wet Gloss in the shade 08. Not lying, this gloss is my go-to. There are 2 shades that are my favorite. Look at this. There are 2 shades that are my favorite, 04 and 08. One is a nude, brown nude, and this one is a pink nude. Now I should shut up and apply it. Look at how juicy and plumpy it is. Let's complete this makeup look by applying setting spray, and for that I'm going to use Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with Vitamin E. Let's complete the outfit. Now I'm gonna apply bindi because bindi ke bina mera Indian makeup look nahi complete hota. I've worn 3 oxidized rings and then had to wear a nose ring. And tada, this is the final makeup look. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about it. Also guys, don't forget to check the description box. Everything is mentioned over there. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Once again, happy Navratri. Bye bye.